Shemai, my name is Taz Rahman and I'm the founder of the YouTube channel Just Another Poet, which was founded in 2019 to celebrate the unique poetry culture in Wales.
Hello, I'm Alan Gibbard. I'm a writer, live in Cardiff. I was born in Merthyr, but mostly educated in Llanelli. So yes, I really am international. Fi'n sgwennu llyfrau am yn fywioliaeth, a wedi wneud hynny ers 15 mlynedd erbyn hyn. Sgwennu llyfrau ffuglen fel arfer, ond mae gen I un nofel mas na hefyd. This is quite a nice little house, isn't it? Is it mine? No chance. I'm a writer. This is actually the birthplace of one of Wales' most famous people, Dylan Thomas. He was born in that room back there in 1914. And as we're approaching the Seren Poetry Festival, it's wonderful to stop and think how much poetry, how much writing came out of this particular room. This is Dylan Thomas's bedroom, where he wrote pretty much 2/3 of everything that he ever published. Mae'n anhygoel I feddwl yn dywe fod cymaint o waith wedi dod mas o le mor fach. I'm really looking forward to the Seren Festival this weekend to see how mindfulness and poetry come together, to see how it speaks to exactly where we are right now. Os ydych chi yn mynd I fod na, wy'n edrych mlaen i'ch gweld chi. Os newch chi weld fi, dewch chi weid helo.
Hi, my name is Lottie Williams and I live in Carmarthen. I am a full-time mum, part-time Masters in Creative Writing student at Swansea University. I love writing poetry and nature and environmentalism and also pieces about motherhood. And I am super excited to be coming to the Seren Poetry Festival in Cardiff 2022. The theme of mindfulness is incredibly important and as such should be at the forefront of our lives and in this festival. From climate anxiety, inequalities, work and cost of living, it affects all of us. And it is one that is incredibly important to my heart as well, because I wouldn't be in the position I am today were it not for working closely with a Writing for Wellbeing practitioner. I've been working with her for a few years now. Her name is Mel Perry and she's a published poet and writing practitioner, and she did her Masters in Creative Writing for Therapeutic Purposes at Metanoia Institute, and she's amazing. And as I say, I wouldn't be the person I am today without her influence on my writing for well-being. She's wonderful. So I am really excited to be coming to see all the people speaking at the festival. It's going to be wonderful to watch all those who were published during the pandemic, to see people in conversation. I'm especially interested in the Poetry and Mindfulness panel and also the Poetry and Climate and Emergency panel as well, being that those two are so close to my heart. It'll be really interesting to listen to other people speaking about how they contribute to improving our well-being, how the arts can make us really pay attention, enhance our lives and help mitigate the stresses and anxiety and depression that can creep in very easily. So yeah, I'm just really excited. Can't wait to immerse myself in all of it, and I'll see you at the weekend.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Rind. I'm a writer and the author of Four Dervishes, which is my debut novel and which was published by Seren Books in October 2021. And I'm looking forward to attending the Cardiff Poetry Festival this weekend, and especially the headline event on Saturday evening, which has some of my favorite authors, including Catherine Stansfield, Amy Wack, Abir Amir, Taz Rahman, and it's being hosted by Rian Edwards. So I will see you all there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonaki Ray. I'm a poet, writer, and editor based in New Delhi, India. I write on themes of migration, displacement, and the inequities, usually gender based, that are present all around us. I'm also interested in the cyclic nature of history and time and its impact on culture and climate. Some of my work has been published in journals such as Poetry Magazine, Poetry Wales, and Indian Literature, that's published by Sahitya Academy, that's India's National Academy of Letters. My poetry collection, Firefly Memories, will be available from Copper Coin later this year. Over the last couple of years, I have been fortunate to become a part of a vibrant poetry community, thanks to the support from people mainly like Zoe Brigley. That makes this opportunity to participate at the Seren Cardiff Poetry Festival particularly exciting. I also find the theme of well-being for this festival very topical. The last few years have been harrowing for all of us and continue to be a challenge. It's because of this that the theme of well-being and the other side of the coin, mental health, is a really important issue. I think that one of the ways to be in a state of well-being is through poetry, and to continue believing that these dark times will pass at some point. On this note, I would like to end with a few lines from a poem by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is called Shopno Amar Jonaki. Shopno Amar Jonaki, Dipto Praner Monika, Stobdo Andhar Nishite, Uriche Alor Konika. The translation that is mine with inputs from my father is, my dream is a firefly. It is the jewel of my life. That is alight in this stoppered and darkened night. It is the speck of light that is in flight. Thank you all for listening and see you later this weekend. Bye.